Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of our presentation is the majestic world of nature's wild creatures. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Wanting to visualize the content of our presentation, pictures play a very important role. So we will choose an image related to our topic. We will choose the king of the animal kingdom, the lion. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us, so you can practice with us. Important note. From the left side outside the borders of the slide, we have the colors we used along with their codes, hex codes, so you can practice with us, because the key to any skill is action and practice. We will put them in the description so you can copy them from there or from the screen. First, we want to change the color of the background. We want to put the brown color as the background with gradients, and where I will put my title, I will put a brighter cream. So we right click in the design area, we go and select format background. A column appears to us on the left side. We go to fill, gradient fill, and we want to put 5 gradient stops. We already have 4, we want one more gradient stop, so we go to add gradient stop button and click it once. First we go to the color. We want to put in the first gradient stop outside of the borders of our slide. We right click, copy. We go to the first gradient stop, color, more colors. In the costume tab, we go to the hex, right click, paste, click OK to apply it to the background. Another way to apply color to the background is with the eyedropper command. We go to the second gradient stop, we go to color, we choose eyedropper, we click the color that we want to put, click in the second gradient stop, and we'll click it. And here it is. For the second gradient stop, we want to set transparency 15%. To make the color transition smoothly, we go to the third gradient stop, we choose color, eyedropper, we click the color that we want from the left outside the borders of our slide, the cream color. We adjust the gradient stops a little bit. We go to the fourth gradient stop. We choose with eyedropper the brown color from the left outside of the borders of a slide. Click. And we want to set the transparency in 20%. Transparency 20% to make the color transition smoothly. And the last gradient stop, color, eyedropper, choose color from the left, and we are ready. We close the format background. Now, to avoid the monotonous output of the presentation title slide, we decided to play with the shapes before inserting our image. We will use the rectangle to compose the image. We go to insert ribbon, we choose shapes, we choose rectangle, we click on the slide and drag the mouse and release it. We see that a blue rectangle has been created. You can put with the eye that dimensions satisfy you to keep them. For convenience and to make the title slide exactly the same, we will give exact dimensions. We go to shape format size, height 13 cm and width 5 cm. We go to Insert ribbon, Shapes, we choose Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Height, 5 cm and width 5 cm. Go Insert, another rectangle, Shapes, click in the rectangle, Shape Format, Height, 7.78 and width 5 cm. We copy the first rectangle that we have created, right click copy, right click paste, and we put it in the desired position. Then we copy it once more again, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, we rotate it and we put it down and drag it to fill a whole rectangle. In this way, I have created from small rectangles a large rectangle. With the help of the Shift command, I click all the rectangles, click, Shift and click, Shift and click, Shift and click, Shift and click, and we go to Shape Format ribbon, Shape Outline, No Outline, and then we do right click, Group, Group, to group them. Then again right click, Format Shape, Fill, Picture or Texture Fill. We go to Insert, from a file, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. And that's the result. After we have composed and completed our image, it is time for the title of our presentation. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose from the Home ribbon Times New Roman font and size 32, bold and shadow, and we write the title, Shift and apostrophe, The Majestic World of Nature's Wild Creatures, close apostrophe. Then we will insert the presenter's name. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Times New Roman font, 24 size, bold and shadow, and we write the presenter's name. I'm sorry, Martha G. Santos. Now we want to frame our title and presenter's name. We go to Insert ribbon, we click Shapes, we choose Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We copy one more time to put it below the presenter's name, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We click both with the help of the Shift, click and Shift and click, Shape Outline, No Outline, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, click the cream color from the left, and we are ready. And we have just completed our slide. Now it is time for animations, my friends. We click the image, we go to animation ribbon, we choose entrance wipe, we go start with previous delay 50 and effect options from top. Then we go to the text box of the title, animations, wipe, effect options from top, start after previous. Then we go to the text box of the presenter's name, animation ribbon wipe, effect options from top, start after previous. Then we go to the thin rectangle, the first, animations wipe, effect options from top, start after previous, and the last thin rectangle, animations wipe, effect options from top, start after previous. And then we can see the result. We go down to the slideshow button, we click it, and that's it. Thank you very much. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!